Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're going to dive into the step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in Ohio, covering everything you need to know from choosing the perfect business name to filing the necessary paperwork. We'll also talk about the key benefits of forming an LLC and the requirements you must meet to get your business up and running in the Buckeye State. And if you'd rather have someone else handle the tough parts for you, skip ahead to the end of this video where I'll share an exclusive offer from Northwest Registered Agent. You can form your LLC for just $39, saving you time, stress, and money. Now let's jump right into step 1. So now step 1, choosing your business name. The first step in starting your Ohio LLC is picking a unique business name. It's crucial to ensure that your name meets Ohio's LLC naming guidelines. So the number one rule would be to make sure that your business name must be distinguishable from other registered businesses in Ohio. It must include LLC or limited liability company. So that is number 2. And then number 3 would be to avoid using restricted words like bank, attorney, or university without additional requirements. Once you've got a perfect name, you can now check its availability at using the Ohio Secretary of State's website search tool. So it's ohiosos.gov. So this is the website right here. And then once you're here, you want to click here on businesses. And from here, you can click here on business search. And this is where you'd be able to search for business names right here in Ohio and make sure that there is no other LLCs that has the same name as you. In my case, my request is blocked because I am currently not in Ohio. But if you are in Ohio, then you should be able to access this one right here. And then if you are not ready to form your LLC yet, you can reserve the name for $39. By the way, if you want a professional service to help with all of this, Northwest Registered Agent is a great choice. And now, step number 2, appoint a registered agent. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or service responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. They must have a physical address in Ohio, and their information will be on public record. Now, while you can act as your own registered agent, it is often better to hire a professional service to avoid missing important legal documents. Northwest Registered Agent offers top-tier service to make sure you're always in compliance with state laws. Plus, they are super affordable for only $39 for the formation of your LLC, and you would get a free year of registered agent services, giving you a peace of mind without breaking the bank. And now, step number 3, file the Articles of Organization. Now it's time to make your LLC official by filing the Articles of Organization with the Ohio Secretary of State. This legal document costs $100 to file, and you can do it online or by mail. Here's what you'll need. Number 1 is your LLC's name and principal address. Number 2, your registered agent's name and address. And then number 3 would be the management structure. Once you submit the form and the state processes it, the LLC will now be formed. Not sure about filing out all these forms? No worries. Northwest Registered Agent can handle the entire filing process for you, ensuring everything is done right from the start. Just another reason to check them out for only $39. The link is in the description. And now it's time for step number 4. So step number 4 is creating an operating agreement. While Ohio doesn't legally require an operating agreement, it's still a critical document for your LLC. The operating agreement outlines how your business will be run, including roles, responsibilities, and profit distributions. It helps prevent misunderstandings among members and provides legal protection. Even if you're a single member LLC, having this agreement in place is beneficial. If you're unsure how to draft one, Northwest Registered Agent can create a custom operating agreement for your LLC. And now, step number 5, which is to get an EIN from the IRS. Finally, you'll need an Employer Identification Number or EIN from the IRS. An EIN is essential for filing taxes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. You can apply for one online for free through the IRS website, or for added convenience, Northwest Registered Agent can handle it for you. And that's it. You've just now learned how to start your LLC in Ohio. From choosing the right name to filing your Articles of Organization and getting an EIN. These 5 steps will have your business up and running smoothly. Now, if you'd prefer to skip the hassle and have everything done for you, remember that Northwest Registered Agent offers LLC formation for just $39. They will take care of all of the details so you can focus on what matters the most, which is building your business. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.